Okay, so you want to be independent and change your own oil. Awesome. So the first step is get one of these lifters. Really important thing is to have a lifter. The second step is taking that screw off from underneath your 2012 Toyota Tacoma and letting it pee the oil into an oil catcher. Oh my God, it is black. That is not good. You need a doctor. The next step, if you have a 2012 Toyota Tacoma 4-cylinder pre-runner, you will need an oil filter and 5 quarts of oil plus an extra little quart of oil because unfortunately you need 5.2 or more, maybe 5.75. So this is only 5, so you need an extra one. Get these items in advance before you get the lifter. Okay, as this is draining, locate your oil filter. 2012 Toyota Tacomas are underneath. You will need a tool to take out the oil filter. You will attach this grabber onto that grabber.
To put some oil around the rim right here so it could seal tightly when you put it back up. If you don't, it could cause leaks and you'll have an oil leak and you won't know where it's coming from.
We have now put this nut back on. That's nuts. And the new oil filter is in. You will now lower your beloved 2012 Toyota Tacoma back to the earth.
And the oil cover.
Opening. Good. That's where the oil goes in. Dinner is served. Once you finish the big container, you only use about half of the small container. Measurements are on the side. The next step is to start the car and let it run for 2 or 3 minutes. The most important part of doing this is to have someone who actually knows what they're doing.
2 minutes, make sure to check your dipstick and see if you are golden, and looks like we are. Sweet.